Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we solve questions on the differentiation of parametric equation. Okay. So you write if x is equal to under root a to the power sine inverse t and y is equal to under root a to the power cos inverse t. Okay. And you have to find the value of dy by dx. You have to find the value of dy by dx. Okay, so what you do in that case, here you take log, it getting simplified for, and then you differentiating x with respect to t and y with respect to t, and in this way, uh, by dividing them, you have the value of dy by dx. Okay, so if you are taking here log, that can be written as log of x is equal to. So if you applying here log, so you have 1 upon 2. Yes, right in this way. Here you have this function is as a to the power sine inverse t by 2. Okay, that can be written 1 upon 2 sine inverse t into log of a. Into log of a, you write in this way, and and okay. So here you take log. Now differentiating with respect to t. So here you have 1 upon x into dx by dt. Dx by dt. Understand? So here you have 1 upon x dx by dt and is equal to 1 upon 2 log of a, that be constant. So you write it first. And the differentiation of sine inverse t is 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. So you write, the value of dx by dt is equal to x upon 2 into log of a into 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. So you write in this way the value of dx by dt. In the same way, if you are taking here y, terms of y, so you have log of y is equal to 1 upon 2 cos inverse t into log of a. So if you are differentiating, so you have 1 upon y dy by dt is equal to 1 upon 2 log of a into minus 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square. So that gives the value of, from that here you find the value of dy by dt. Okay, so the value of dy by dt is minus y upon 2 log of a into 1 upon under root 1 minus t square. So in this way, here you have the value of dx by dt and dy by dt. So if you want to find the value of dy by dx, so dy by dx can be written as dy by dt upon dx by dt. Okay. Now, if you are putting its value, so here you have only y upon x. So rest of the terms are cancelled out. So you have y upon x. Okay. So here you see that that be your same question which you already solved in previous lecture. Okay. So that in that that means uh, class you solve that with the help of inverse trigonometric function by using the properties of that, and here this is the method to solve it by using as a logarithmic differentiation. Okay, note it. So right, next question that was asked in 2014. Sorry, x is equal to a e to the power theta. X is equal to a e to the power theta sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, and y is equal to a e to the power theta into sine theta plus cos theta. Sine theta plus cos of theta, and you have to find the value of dy by dx. You have to find the value of dy by dx. Yes, here you differentiating with respect to theta. So check it. So dx by d theta is equal to a, and in between e to the power theta and sine theta minus cos theta, here you applying product rule. So first function, differentiation of second. So you have cos theta plus sine theta. Okay, and plus second function sine theta minus cos theta into e to the power theta. Now taking e to the power theta common, so a e to the power theta cos theta plus sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, so that we cancel out, and you have 2a e to the power theta sine theta. 2a e to the power theta sine theta is the value of dx by d theta. In the same way, if you are differentiating here, dy by d theta is equal to a, yes, applying product rule, e to the power theta into, here you have cos theta minus sine theta plus second function sine theta plus cos theta into e to the power theta. Okay, now again here you taking common e to the power theta. So here you see that yes, sine terms of sine is cancel out, and you have 2 times of cos theta, and is equal to 2a e to the power theta cos theta. Okay, 2a e to the power theta cos theta. Now you find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So that is equal to 2a e to the power theta cos theta upon 2a e to the power theta sine theta. Okay, so that is equal to cot theta. That is equal to cot theta. Understand? So in this way, you can find its derivative. So that was asked in 2014. Okay, right, next question. That is of 2013 here. So here you have same type of questions based on parametric equation. Note it. Yes, right. X is equal to 2 cos theta. X is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Minus cos 2 theta. Okay. And y is equal to 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta minus sine 2 theta. Minus sine 2 theta. Okay. So prove that dy by dx is equal to tan 3 theta by 2. You have to prove that dy by dx is equal to tan 3 theta by 2. Okay. Yes. Taking its derivative with respect to theta. So right, dx upon d theta is equal to, here you have minus 2 times of sine theta, and here you have 2 sine 2 theta. Okay, so it be clear to everyone, dx by d theta is minus 2 sine theta plus 2 times of sine 2 theta. Understand? Now you can take taking here common. 2 is common. So if you're taking here 2 common, so that is written as sine 2 theta minus sine theta, and leave it. In the same way, you find the value of dy by d theta. So that is equal to 2 cos theta minus 2 times of cos 2 theta, and taking 2 common, so you have cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Okay, so in this way here you have the value of dy by d theta. So the value of dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Okay, now putting its value, so you have, yes, 2 is cancel out, cos theta minus cos 2 theta upon sine 2 theta minus sine theta. Okay, now applying the formula for cos A minus cos B. So the formula for cos A minus cos B is minus 2 sine A plus B by 2. So if you are adding here, you have 3 theta by 2, and sine A minus B by 2. So you have sine minus theta by 2. Understand? In the same way, if you applying here formula for sine A minus sine B, so you have 2 cos A plus B by 2, so 2 cos 3 theta by 2, and sine A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2, so you have theta by 2. Theta by 2. Understand? And just listen one thing. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, so it becomes positive. And here 2 and 2 is cancel out, and sine is cancel out. Understand? So overall here you have sine by cos, so that is equal to tan of 3 theta by 2. Tan of 3 theta by 2. Note it. Tan of 3 theta by 2. नोट कर लिया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
So you write next question, that is of NCERT. Okay, right. X is equal to sine cube t. X is equal to sine cube t upon under root cos 2t, and y is equal to cos cube t upon under root cos 2t, cos of 2t, and you have to find the value of dy by dx. You have to find the value of dy by dx. Okay, so for simplifying it, you have to applying here quotient rule. Understand? And also differentiating x and y with respect to t. So right, so dx by dt is equal to, if you applying here, you have a square of denominator, means a square of root cos 2t whole square, means we write in this way. So right here denominator uh, cos 2t, differentiation of numerator, so 3 sine square t into cos of t. 3 sine square of t cos of t minus numerator sine cube t into derivative of denominator So that be in a form of root x. Here you write 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t, okay, and the differentiation of cos 2t minus sine 2t into 2, okay. So you write in this way. So here you see that 2 and this 2 is cancel out, and taking LCM and simplifying it. So if you are taking LCM, so here you have cos t, and this root power is also there. So overall, you have uh, cos 2t whole power 3 by 2, means 1 plus 1 by 2. So here you have cos 2t whole power 3 by 2, and here this side you have 3 cos 2t sine square t into cos t, minus and minus, here you have plus, and you have sine cube t into sine 2t, sine cube t into sine 2t, okay. So in this way, here you have your result. Note that step. Any doubt? Okay. So leave it. Now you find the value of dy by dt. So dy by dt can be written, again here you have to applying quotient rule, square of denominator, means within root, here you write cos 2t whole square, and numerator denominator, so you write under root cos 2t into differentiation of numerator 3 cos square t into minus sine t minus uh, cos cube t into d by dx of denominator. So 1 upon 2 under root cos 2t into minus sine 2t into 2. You write in this way. So 2 and this 2 is cancel out. So 2 and 2 is cancel out. Now again here you take LCM. So here you have cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. And this side you have minus 3 times of cos 2t into cos square t sine t, okay, plus cos cube t sine 2t, cos cube t sine 2t. So that gives the value of dy by dt. So in this way, you have the value of dx by dt and dy by dt. Now find the value of dy by dx with the help of these two. So you write its value. So the value of dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Dy by dt upon dx by dt. So if you are putting its value, so here you have minus 3 cos 2t cos square t sine t plus cos cube t into sine 2t divided by 3 cos 2t sine square t cos t plus sine t. Here you have sine t or sine cube t. Just check this result of dx by dt.
So
This,
sine cube t.
yeah, sine cube t and sine 2t, sine 2t. So you write in this way, means here you're putting the value of dy by dt and dx by dt. Okay, so be careful while putting the values of dy by dt and dx by dt. And okay, so you're trying to reduce that in simplest form. So here you have some common. So if you are seeing it, yes, cos square t is common. Here you can take cos square t common in numerator and sin square t common in denominator. So you take it out. So cos square t is common. So here you have minus 3 cos 2t sin t and plus this side you have cos t and sin 2t can be written as 2 sin t cos t. Yes, right. 2 sin t cos t. In the same way, in numerator, here you write sin square t into 3 cos 2t into cos t plus here you write sin t into 2 sin t cos t. 2 sin t cos t. Okay. Now again you have a sin t as common. Sin t common. Here you have sin t common. So take out again. So cos square t into, yes, sin t is common. So here minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 times of cos square t. Okay, right. 2 times of 2 cos square t. In the same way, in denominator, you have cos t common. So sin square t cos t 3 cos 2t plus 2 times of sin square t. 2 times of sin square t. You write in this way. So here 1 power of cos is cancelled and 1 power of sin is cancelled. So you have cos t into minus 3 times, and just you see here you have a term of 2 cos square t. So you applying the formula of cos for cos 2t here. So cos 2t can be written as 2 cos square t minus 1. So right, 2 cos square t minus 1 plus 2 cos square t. Understand? In the same way, here you have sin t into 3 into, yes, here you have sin squared, terms of sin square t. So applying formula for sine. So 1 minus 2 sin square t. 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin square t. Okay, write this step. Are you noted up to last step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now solve it further. So again, that is quite lengthy. Okay, right. So write it. So that is equal to cos t into just you multiplying. So just check it. What is there? Here you have minus 6 cos square t. Okay, and plus 3 is there. So first you write here positive value plus 3 and minus 6 plus 2. So you have minus 4 times of cos square t. Yes, right. So here you write cos t into 3 minus 4 cos square t. In the same way, in denominator, you write here sin t into, so if you multiplying here, so you have 3 minus 4 sin square t. Minus 4 sin square t. Now multiplying that cos and sine. So if you multiplying here, you have 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t upon 3 sine t minus 4 sine cube t. Okay. And yes, if you are taking minus common in denominator from numerator, so you have 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. So that be the formula of cos 3t. So you write here minus times of cos 3t divided by here you have sine 3t and is equal to minus times of cot 3t. So this is your simplified result. Note it. So minus cot 3t is your answer. Any doubt? Everyone noted?
Sir.
Okay. So right, next question that was asked in 2005. Right. If x is equal to a into 1 plus t square upon 1 minus t square and y is equal to 2t upon 1 minus t square, you have to find the value of dy by dx. You have to find the value of dy by dx. Okay. So what you do, first of all, here you're trying to find the value of dx by dt and dy by dt by applying quotient rule. Okay. So trying it. So dx by dt is equal to a into, here you applying quotient rule, so write 1 minus t square whole square. One minus t square whole square, and yes, denominator 1 minus t square into 2t minus 1 plus t square into 2t minus 2t. Okay. So here you have minus times of 2t, and just you simplifying here. So a into, here you have 1 minus t square whole square, and taking 2t common, so you have 1 minus t square and plus 1 plus t square. So t square and t square is cancel out. And here you have 4 2t. Yeah. So here you have 4 times here. So 4at upon 1 minus t square whole square. So that is its derivative. 4at upon 1 minus t square whole square. In the same way, you find the value of dy by dt. So write it, dy by dt. Again, here you have to applying quotient rule, 1 minus t square whole square. So 1 minus t square derivative of numerator. So write 2 minus numerator, and here you have minus 2t. Okay, solve it. So 1 minus t square whole square into 2 minus 2t square plus 4t square. Okay. So overall, what you have? 2t square plus 2. 2t square plus 2 upon 1 minus t square whole square. Okay. So you can take 2 common. So if you're taking here 2 common, so you have t square plus 1 upon 1 minus t square whole square. Now find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now putting its value, so you have 2 times of t square plus 1 upon 4at upon 4at. So yes, cancel it and you have your answer. So that is t square plus 1 upon 2at is your final answer. Yes, right. Next question that was asked in 2014 and 16. Yes, right. So here you see that most of the questions are of similar type. So you write it. X is equal to a sine 2t, a sine 2t into 1 plus cos 2t. X is equal to a sine 2t into 1 plus cos 2t, and y is equal to b cos 2t into 1 minus cos 2t. 1 minus cos 2t, and so that here you have to so that, yes, right, so that dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, at t is equal to pi by 4 is equal to b upon a. That is equal to b upon a. You have to prove this result. So here you applying quotient rule, or sorry, product rule for x and y. You know? So applying it, dx by dt, a, so right here a, and applying product rule. So first function and differentiation of second, so minus 2 times of sine 2t, minus 2 times of sine 2t plus second function, so 1 plus cos 2t into differentiation of first, so you have 2 times of cos 2t, 2 times of cos 2t. Okay, so just you simplify, so you have here a minus 2 sine square 2t and plus 2 cos 2t plus 2 times of cos square 2t, 2 times of cos square 2t. So here 2 is common. So here you have 2a into cos square 2t minus sine square 2t is equal to cos 4t, cos 4t plus cos 2t. So here you have dx by dt is equal to in this way. So you write. Now you find the value of dy by dt. Is equal to b into, yes, applying product rule. So first function differentiation of second, so 2 times of sine 2t, 2 times of sine 2t means first function differentiation of second plus second function 1 minus cos 2t into differentiation of first, so minus 2 times of sine 2t, minus 2 times of sine 2t. Okay, now again multiplying, here you can take 2 common, so here you have 2b into Sine 2t cos 2t, sine 2t cos 2t. Sine 2t cos 2t, and this side you have minus sine 2t, and here you have plus sine 2t cos 2t. Understand? So if you are adding these two, so you have 2 times of sine 2t cos 2t, which is equal to sine 4t. So that is equal to 2b into sine 4t minus sine 2t. You write it this way. So you have the value of that means dy by dt and dx by dt. Now find the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. You write in this way, yeah, right? Now putting its value, so you have 2b into sine 4t minus sine 2t upon 2a into cos 4t plus cos 2t. Okay. And here you have to find the value of derivative at x is equal to pi by 4. Okay. So write it. So the value of dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4 is equal to 2 and 2 is cancel out, and here you have b by a. So if you are putting here